Hello everyone. Today in this video, I will tell you how to find out mean deviation about median of continuous data. These are the main points which I will discuss in this video. Formula and steps for finding mean deviation about median of continuous data. Example based on it. Exercise along with answers based on it. After watching this video, you can take the screenshot of these two and you can test your knowledge and understanding. First of all, formula to calculate mean deviation about median of continuous data. Formula for the continuous data and for the discrete data is same. But we know how to find out the median of continuous data. That is very important. To know about how to find out median of continuous data, go through the video whose link is given in the description box of this video. According to the formula, main is formula, you have to learn it. According to the formula, we'll make the table. Means class interval would be there, then xi, then fi, and we know how to find out median for that. Cumulative frequency is required, and then we will find out median using the concept of how to find out median of continuous data. You know, the formula is and a median equal L plus NY2 minus C upon F into H. Using this formula, we will find out median. The next column would be according to this absolute value of xi minus m. Then next would be fi into xi minus m. Means my point is, if you know the formula, accordingly you can make the columns. And then we will substitute that this is summation fi xi minus m. Find out from here what is n. N is this summation fi. Substitute the value of these two in this formula. We will get mean deviation about median. These are the steps which I have already discussed with you. Let's take the example. Find mean deviation about median of the given continuous data. Data will be like this: class interval, frequency, and we can find out xi from here. To find out xi, 0 plus 6 upon 2, that is 3. 6 plus 12 upon 3, that is 9. Then 15. Then 21. Then 27. And this is summation fi. Now CF, cumulative frequency, we will find out from here. 8 as it is. 8 as it is. 8 plus 10, 18. 18 plus 12, 30. Then 39 plus 5, 44. Now n equals 44. N equals 44. Find ny2. That is, and it is your even number. And we know that how to find out median. Formula for this: median equals L plus ny2 minus C upon F into H. We have to find out all these. We have calculated ny2. Now in cumulative frequency column, find 22 where it will lie. According to this, 22 will lie over here. And this is your median class. And from here we will find out the value of this is L. This is L. L is 12 over here. This is L. Now this is C. and corresponding this is F and Y2, and what is H? H is the class width, which is 6. Substitute the value. L is 12 and Y2 is 22 minus C is 18 upon F. F is 12 into 6. H is 6. That is, solving this two, we will get 12 plus 2, that is 14. The median is 14. Next column would be Xi minus 14. And then Fi Xi minus 14. We know mean deviation about median equals summation Fi Xi minus M upon summation Fi. According to the formula, we will make next column, that is absolute value of Xi minus M, and we have already calculated 14. Then next will be Fi into absolute value of Xi minus M. So let's find out the value. Xi minus M. Xi minus, find out its value, it will be Xi is your 3. Xi is 3. And this is 3 minus 14. 9 minus 14. Then 1. 21, that is 7 and 13. 3 minus 14, we will take only positive. Absolute value means we will take positive. 9 minus 15 minus 14, 21. This is the next column is, we will multiply them. We have to multiply these two. Fi is this and this. 8 into 11, 88. 5 into 10. 1 into 12. Then 9 into 13 into 5. Their sum. This is summation Fi into Xi minus M is 14. That is equal to, adding them, you will get 278. Now, substitute value over here in the formula. Mean deviation about median will be 278 because its value, it is 278 upon 44. Solving this, you will get 6.32. And this is the exercise based on it, how to find out mean deviation about mean of continuous data. Both sums are based on it. You can take the screenshot of this and you can try it. That's all in this video. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.